Hello and welcome to the inside of a 4040 disk drive. I'm going to turn it on, but as you will soon see, we're going to hear the right noises. Things are happening, but this drive is not spinning. It is not. And see, on these drives, one of the drives has a circuit board over the top of it, and the other one does not. So I'm going to try something here. It might work. I'm just going to be very careful. I'm going to move in closer. But yet, oh, this is going to be tough. Okay. We're going to zoom in a little wee bit. No, that's as much as we can zoom in. All right. But this should show us that right now, you see that little thing right at the bottom. When I turn the drive off and then turn it on, you'll see right there that will spin. Look at that. And that is what we want to have happen on the other one. But at this moment, it's not happening. If we look at the circuit board, there it is. You'll see there are connectors that go. There's an A and a B near the front here. And then there's one that comes, the one with the red, black, orange, brown, and yellow, that's power. And the ribbon cable is sort of the communicator. And then in the very back are the two black connectors. I did take them off. I did clean them up. And in fact, both drive motors are spinning on power, which is exactly what is supposed to happen. But it's not happening for drive 0. There's the A and the B. There's the data cable. There's the power cable. And in the very back are the two little black connectors. They have these funny little fingers that help them stay in position. They can be a bit of a challenge when you're getting things on and off. They can be. So at some point, I will see about getting drive 0. If we slide over, we should be able to see drive 0. There we are. I will see about getting drive 0 out of there. And that takes screws from the bottom. And see what I can see when it comes to the belt, or the lack of the belt, or whatever. Anyway, this will be always interesting. Always interesting. But once again, if we look, I think I can zoom in a little bit more on this. And maybe I can get a little way away from that wire. Not really. Oh well. Anyway, if I turn this on, you should see. Oh, maybe that's not what I want to see. Okay, you see the big pancake thing there? There we go. It will chatter. Oh, that was off. This is on. It ever does a slight little bit of a chatter. It's exactly what it's supposed to do. So it sounds good, but it's just not happening. So stay tuned. I've worked with these drives for decades, but I've never really taken them apart until recently. And I know a lot more than I did. But there's always more to know. Anyway, thanks for coming and having a look inside this 4040 disk drive. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.